I've been procrastinating all day, and I think it's time I actually start. And right off the bat, I'm actually impressed that they labeled it. That goes to the front, that's for the headlights, and you just work your way back. I thought there were three separate ones and I would have to tape them together, but no, it's already done. And I took a quick look at the wiring diagram. Again, I'm impressed. I'm not going to show everything because I spent $20 on this, but you get the idea of where everything goes. And even if I didn't have it, I was just going to follow the one that was there, but this definitely makes me feel better. Makes me feel more confident. Except for the firing order. I'm a little nervous about that, but that's for the future. Let's get started. Oh, that hurt. Just pull it apart. It's fine. You can sort of see the wire right there. Just gotta undo that. Just separate them. Just pull and that's good to go. Look at the difference. I mean, just those two wires. Yep. At least it's gonna be better. I'll be honest. I only did the lights for today because it's getting windy and dark, and I don't want to get caught in it. The hardest part about a job is actually getting started, and I did. And now I definitely got a lot more confidence for tomorrow. I did use a wire brush on the connectors, on all the connections, to make sure that they're clean, and just to be safe, electrical contact grease. Electrical contact grease. Because, well, again, I don't want to have electrical problems later, and I'm treating it as if they were spark plugs. I definitely got a lot more confidence now, and tomorrow, I'll see just how far I get.